In this class, we discuss difference between Indian number system and international number system. According to Indian number system, here 10 crores in Indian number system, it has called 100 million in international system. Crores in Indian system, it has called 10 millions. 10 lakhs in Indian system, it has called millions. So there is no lakhs in international system. We call as lakhs in Indian system is 100,000s. From here 10,000, thousand, hundreds, tens, ones are common in both Indian and international system. First chart is international number system place value chart. Second one Indian number system place value chart. It is useful to compare 9-digit numbers. Let us understand about this table. Ones, thousands, millions, these are all called periods. After that we see ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, million, 10 million, 100 million. These are called places. With the help of these places, we can read and write the large numbers very easily. Here in ones period, we have the three places: ones, tens, hundreds. Ones period contains the three places. Second period is thousands period. This thousands period contain the three places. First one thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and again similarly in the millions period we have three places: millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. If you observe this table, every period has three places. First period have three places, second period have three places, third period have three places. Here is the table. Indian system: ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. These are all called periods. If you see here numbers 1 to 9, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. These are all called places. These places help us to know from where we can start reading the large numbers. Here is the example of international number system. Let us see an example. I have taken large number 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 5, 0, 2, 7. Let us see how to read this large number. Here commas helps us in reading and writing the large numbers. First comma after 3 digits after ones period from right, and second comma after next 3 digits after 1000 periods. Now read this number: 123,150,027. One more example of Indian number system. Here we have one example: 123115027. Here commas helps us in reading and writing the large numbers. The first comma is after 3 digits from the right side. It means after ones period. Then after 2 digits we have to put second comma, that is thousands period. Then after again leaving 2 digits we have to put another comma, that is the lakhs period in this example. If you observe this one, here we have 3 commas. In this system, only the first comma is after 3 digits. Remaining commas are after every 2 digits. Now read this number: 12 crore 31 lakh 15,027.